large entities made this drop happen. The smaller guy is making it bounce back. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 staying live here in Spain, Barcelona. I'm actually on a yacht right now with Car from the Moon and Eunice Wong and also Jessica Walker. So check out my Instagram stories. It's going to be awesome. I won't be doing a show tomorrow. I'm going to just take it easy and relax. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy this particular trip. But then when I get back on Monday, I'm going to be grinding hard. You're going to see me Monday through Friday, enjoying these shows with you guys, showing you that, you know, as Bitcoin rises, as Ethereum rises, Solana, right? This is the time, this is your final chance, right? To buy these assets as they rise to all-time highs and beyond in the future. You don't want to be on the sidelines when this happens. Now's the time to be buying. I know it can be scary. I know you're thinking, what if this time's different? Oh, okay, fine. You can sit there and watch the prices happen. And next time, you can join in, right? I would advise against you coming to me later on when the prices are high, say, is it too late to buy? Because odds are I'm going to say yes. You're going to have to either buy and hold for the long until for more than 5 years. If you're looking for a short-term profit, right? You're not going to find it in the crypto space next year, right? Next year it's going to be too late. Now's the time to dollar cost average, buy in, buy the dips, buy whenever Bitcoin and Ethereum or Solana is low, and hold on for this biggest ride ever. Okay, with that said, we're going to be doing some little news, then going on to TA. And if you're interested on trading, you can do some trading at bybit.davincij15.com. That's bybit.davincij15.com. And if you don't have access to, you know, the right ID because, you know, governments say, hey, you can't do that. Well, I would suggest you get some other, you know, digital residencies so that the government doesn't tell you what you can do, where you can do it, and all that kind of stuff, because that's very important. And if you make a lot of money, I would implore you to get other citizenships in other countries, right? Which you can actually pay for it, because yeah, the situation, you really don't know what's happening in the world, and things are not looking really good for the average person. So do not get caught with, you know, what's about to go down, right? I'm not going to go into it right now. Anyways, looking at Waffle Coin. Wow, Waffle Coin is, you know, $15 million market cap. We're holding steady. I knew this was going to be a hold point here around this level here, the $16 million market cap, and we're going to bounce off of this heavy. Anything in this area is a good buy for Waffles Coin. We're going to be pushing this thing really heavy shortly. Same with Orc Coin. Orc is at a level where, hey, you know what? An easy double is coming. So yeah, you can sell half on a double and, you know, we'll let the rest ride very shortly. PayPay again. Ooh, well, look at this, man. We hit the high. This was the target here from that explosion move, and we hit it, and now we're back down. So the odds are, right, you're buying below this level here, this 2000, let's just call it 2000 area. And it's going to come back up here. So, and go beyond that. So a double for you guys to sell half on is a guarantee practically. So easily, and you're in a good situation to buy down here. If you dollar cost average, so you get the best price, you just slowly put in a little bit over time, and then you'll see things go a lot higher. Okay, with that said, this is the news for today. You can check this out. Link is in the description below. Bitcoin address is holding over 0.1 BTC near all-time high amid price dip. Yes, investors are buying on the dip from the dips, the government or whatever entity, whoever is behind this massive price destruction. It is clearly in the interest of the people who can print money to keep the prices low. Why is that? Because Bitcoin does not have any advertising agency. The only advertising agency is price. So effectively, they need to manage that. And they do that. When you have unlimited money, if you have a printing press, do you think you could manage the price of Bitcoin if you have a printing press? God damn right. And control the rules of law? Damn right you can control the price. You just have to use your head a little bit about how you do it. And yeah, you can manage the price very easily by managing laws and the way you create money out of nothing. But the average person's not falling for it. They're like loading up, getting that 0.1 Bitcoin, right, for their future. Because that's gonna be a lot of wealth in the future. In fact, it's better to have like 0.2, I think, Bitcoin, but this is still gonna be a good amount because that's like, one Bitcoin is 100 million Satoshis. So this is 10 million Satoshis. And yeah, or is it going to be worth $10 million? I think so. I really do. Okay. The CIA confirms rumors it's working on a cryptocurrency project. Really? Okay. It's official. The Central Intelligence Agencies involved in crypto, they're probably just, getting people to build a cryptocurrency so they can understand it. And then have developers like with history of knowledge in this area, right? That's probably what they're trying to get. During the Wall Street Journal's CEO summit on Monday, CIA Director William Burns confirmed that the government's agency is running several cryptocurrency-related projects. Burns said it was his predecessor, David Cohen, who started the project. While some conspiracy theorists have long held that the CIA invented Bitcoin, unlikely, although this computer scientists would claim otherwise. Burns' interview simply confirmed the agency's involvement. He called it an important priority for the CIA, and he planned to devote resources and attention to the subject moving forward. Yes, it's very important because obviously it's going to be the future of money. If they have any central intelligence at all, and that's not an oxymoron, right? They know people are going to use it as money. They have to be here before that happens. Anyways, Solana prices erases Monday's crash, targets $200 amid $1 billion to total value locked surge. So total value locked is just basically, okay, so if you buy into our Orc coin or Waffles coin, that value is locked in there, right? And so that's what they're counting in, all the value that's locked. Right? So all the liquidity that's put in here is the total value locked, and there's over $1 billion in total value locked in liquidity or other assets in the space. And probably they don't even account for a lot of other values in this particular $1 billion TVL surge, because there could be somebody else who built something that wasn't that people are locking money into that, and they don't really count that. So yeah, it is a rapidly growing ecosystem, and I would expect more value being dropped into Solana more than you expect. So be ready for big moves in Solana. Okay. All right. I'm going to end that here and move on to the TA for today. Once again, if you're interested in trading, you can head over to bybit.davincij15.com. That's bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Well, Bitcoin has taken its recovery seriously. And there's a little bit of a dip here, but that was just, probably to wipe out some of the bear bulls, and then off it went. And so I can see if we have to break past the 59.7, right? If we could get there and break past that, boom, we can probably get back on the horse right away. But you know what? Be careful, because remember, the government has more money than well, basically they have unlimited money, right? Because they have your money, right? When they can print it more. So yeah, that's the key thing. They can control prices a lot easier. And then they have the rule of laws, which they can also change the laws in order to make sure that they can get people to manipulate the price for them. So yeah, through laws. Okay, so with that said, moving on, we can see that Ethereum dipped below its support level and now it's trying to recover that. Bollinger Bands are tightening, so it's going to make a decision whether it's going to be an explosive move on the 4 hour upwards or explosive move or just a poop downwards. That's what we're waiting for. I really think that the Ethereum has a good chance of pumping higher from here on out. I don't think they can hold this thing down for very long. Well, the Bitcoin dominance chart. Well, Bitcoin dominance, I think it's just scraping above an all-time high at 57.16%. We can see that, yeah, it's tracking the 60%. I've been saying this. We're in an uptrend with the dominance for a long time. I was hoping we could get some sort of failed move right here once we broke through this red line, but we recaptured it, and then boom, it is clear that Bitcoin dominance is going to continue into the future. So that means most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin will outpace most cryptocurrencies out there and continue to rise. So it's the best asset to hold. So make sure you hold it for your future. Okay, with that said, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I enjoyed providing it for you, and we'll see you guys on Monday is when I will do my next show. All right, cheers.